Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a quick tip that I needed to use yesterday when I was trying to find a permanent mark that was sort of buried in the middle of a reserve, and it was really hard to find otherwise. I just used the GPS to locate it, and some of you guys probably know this, but if you want to find a point, then you can just enter the points into Carlson's SurvPC, and you can go to points or into the top menu up the top here and go to points and manually enter one. So I'll just go to add, and then you just enter the easting and northing. And so on my PM sheet here, sketch plan at the top, I've got an easting here and a northing here, and you can just enter that into as the easting and northing. You don't need to worry about elevation, and just give it a description. And I often, if I'm entering it manually, I just usually put SMES, which is where this sheet comes from. And then just to remind myself that this was the manually entered one, and then tick. And then then you just go to survey and stake points. And stake just means locate a point. And you choose which point you want. I guess you can either enter it manually here or press the 1, 2, 3 to select one of the ones I've entered. Just double tap on that and then tick. And then when it comes up on the screen, it'll basically tell you the distance that how far away you are from it. And this is just in simulation mode, so it's giving me a massive distance, but yeah, it'll show you where you are currently and where your point is, and it'll lead you to it. And so in the middle of this big reserve yesterday, I was able to find this PM buried in the grass, and it was much quicker than trying to find it any other way. So that's what you do. And if you want to configure sort of how it shows you the distance to your point, you can go to C, which is configure, and then in the stake tab up the top here, you can choose different methods. So whether it shows you your eastings and northings, or whether it shows an azimuth and distance, bearing and distance, different options here you can choose, and it should take you right to the point. Hope that helps.